If you're a waiter or bartender, you should know that restaurants and bars cannot make you do non-tip jobs without paying you $7.25 an hour. After all, no one signs up to clean bathrooms, kitchen, or pick up litter in the parking lot at $2.13 an hour because you don't get paid tip for that. Tip work is when a bartender or waiter is taking order or refilling drinks. Tip work is when bussers are bussing the tables and freshening up the table for the next customer. Tip work can be performed at $2.13 an hour plus tips. Supporting work that is not tip work is wiping down the table, wiping down the bar, folding napkins, rolling silverware, cleaning the ice machine, cleaning food and warming machines. Non-tip work, but are supporting tip work, are limited to 30 minutes a week or 20% of your total work time. So if you work, let's say 100 hours, you can only spend 20% of that work week doing supporting work or 30 minutes. Once you've exceeded the 20% or the 30 minutes, your employer is then supposed to pay you minimum wage, which is $7.25 an hour. Remember, there are non-tip work that you have to be paid at least $7.25 an hour, and that includes preparing food in the kitchen, cleaning the kitchen and the bathroom, picking up trash in the parking lot. If someone tries to tell you that that is not the law, don't listen to them. The DOL reinstated the 80-20 rule. The Restaurant Association tried to stop this with a lawsuit, but they were turned down by a Texas federal judge. Okay, back to work.